What's up guys, Kavan Singh here, back with another video, and we've got the wireless AirPods with us today. I'm not a big fan of wireless headsets, and I thought that Apple would launch the AirPods 2, but they didn't. So I thought, why not just get the AirPods 1, and let's see what's on the box. It cost about 12,900, and this is the manufacturing date, August 2018. Yeah, so this is a new one, new box. So this is the year of import is August 2018. So let's see what's inside, and let's unbox this up. So let's see the box first. We have the AirPods with the case and the lightning cable picture here, and this is obviously designed by Apple in California. The Apple logo here, AirPods here, again the Apple logo, and the picture of the AirPods. So that's tight. Okay, designed by Apple in California. So let's see what's in the manuals. AirPods, iOS 10, turn up Bluetooth. So these are just manuals, so we do read these. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, this is the AirPod case. Let's wrap this up. Okay, alright, let's see what's in here. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. We've got a button here. I don't know what it does. I guess you have to charge the AirPods with this, the lightning cable. Oh, it's kind of small. It's really small. So let's see. Okay, this is for the right ear. Okay, it kind of has a magnet in the case. It's for the left ear again. Okay, so let's see what else in the box. Oh, we got a lightning cable too. Right, not only lightning cable, and this is the AirPods. So we've got the AirPods here, and let's try to connect with my iPhone. So I guess we just have to right press and hold the button back for charging case. So we have this button here. AirPods. So I guess the green light is that the AirPods are fully charged, and the case battery shows 53%. So we've got to charge the case first, and the case will charge the AirPods. And Apple tells us that the AirPods kind of work for like 6 hours, but I guess the battery life is about 5 hours, and the case will charge the AirPods like 5 times, so you can get a total of 24 hours of backup once fully charged, when you fully charge the case. So okay, let's take out the AirPods, and this is the right one, and they say a double tap on the back here and Siri will connect, but I don't think, I guess it will work when you plug it into your ears. I guess so. Okay, so let me just try and put in this in my right ear, and let's see how the Siri works. I guess you double tap on twice, and yes, the Siri works. And okay, so that's how the Siri works. And I guess when you plug when you're listening to music, and when you kind of take one out, and I guess the music stops itself. That's good, I guess. Right, that's it. That's the unboxing, and we'll see. I'll use the AirPod and we'll tell you the reviews and stuff. That's it. That's the unboxing. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you guys. See you next time. Peace.